The flip comes in a package, as you can see here. It comes with the vacuum attachment. It comes standard with the short attachment and the corner attachment. We do have a longer attachment for it underneath radiators. And the newest tool we got, a milling attachment for it, which will make or turn the flip into the most aggressive edger on the market. That's a diamond insert milling attachment for strongly cupped floors, aluminum oxide, shellac, doesn't heat up, doesn't gum up. So you have multiple options. As I said, you can customize your machine to your needs. The machine is made out of fiber reinforced plastic, so it is very durable. You pretty much just need one tool that comes with it to take the entire machine apart. The carbon brushes, they sit inside the machine on top. And that's something you should also have in your van. All right, you open up, you got the two carbon brushes right here, left and right. Please make sure that the machine is unplugged while you're doing this. Just saying, I don't want you to get electrocuted. You pull that spring back, you pull the carbon brushes out, and that's it. The carbon brushes, they have a little pin integrated in them. Once that pin hits the armature right here, the machine shuts off. All right? So that's an indication, please change the carbon brushes. You can push the switch down and it will keep going, but it will also burn the motor. Okay? If you use any aftermarket parts and they don't have them in there, it will for sure burn inside. All the machines, they have a thermal overload, so if they reach a certain temperature, they will shut off. As I said, you can run it either with a dust bag or the vacuum attachment. You can move the dust bag to each side. Depending how aggressive you want the machine to be, you can use the tool as your wheel adjustment, all right? So the tool has spacers. That is rough sanding, that is medium sanding, and the tool itself is fine sanding. Take your wheels. And you can see I'm using about that much of the disc. Now I put it on medium. Now I'm using that much of the disc. Now I take the tool itself and put it on fine. And now I'm using almost the entire disc. All right, and I said a lot about machines are tested for wood dust, they're clean, they run with dust bags. With a dust bag, no vacuum system hooked up. That is by far the cleanest.
Can you use like a WAP or something with it?
Yeah, sure. If you want to hook up your Festool or whatever you got, go ahead. If you want to change the attachments, that's pretty straightforward too. So those are still loose. The plate can still move. That's your pulley tensioner. You just push it down. Whoops. You tighten it. You adjust your attachment. Damn it. Tighten it and you're good to go. Every single part on the machines, if you look at the manual, it has the schematics in the back. Every single part can be replaced. We sell the parts as singles. Some of the stuff might come as an assembly unit. The velcro as well. If you change out the velcro, it's pretty simple. Take a blade, cut it, peel it off, clean it with some mineral spirit, wait a couple seconds, put the new velcro on top, and then apply some pressure and let it harden overnight. If you keep sanding right away, the adhesive is not completely cured and you will peel the velcro off. So leave it overnight to harden out. You can do a bolt-on or velcro, whatever you want to do. The usual disc spins at 3,800 RPMs. The corner attachment is at almost 8,000 RPMs, so it heats up quite a bit. You always want to use a donut in between. And if you did a couple of corners, peel the donut off with the disc and let it cool down. All right, I think it comes with like 3 donuts anyways. Let it cool down. If you're trying to peel off the paper while it's still hot, you're gonna splice or you're gonna peel off the entire donut. You're gonna tear it apart.